In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add taxes to an Airbnb listing. To get started, open Airbnb and sign in to your host account. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the listing you want to update. If you use both guest and host features on Airbnb, this part matters because you'll need access to the hosting tools before you can change pricing or tax settings. Once you're signed in, switch to hosting mode if needed. Depending on whether you're using the Airbnb website or the app, the layout may look a little different, but the goal is the same. You want to be in the host dashboard where your listings and property settings are available. From there, go to your listings section and choose the property you want to update. This is especially important if you manage more than one listing, since taxes can vary by property, location, or booking setup. Open the correct listing so you're editing the right one from the start. Next, open the listing settings and navigate to the pricing section or the taxes section, depending on what Airbnb shows in your region. Airbnb's menu options can vary based on location and account type, so if you don't immediately see taxes, check inside pricing related settings first. When you find the taxes option, select Add Taxes or Edit Taxes if taxes have already been set up before. This is where you'll tell Airbnb what kind of tax applies to your listing. Now choose the type of tax you need to collect. This could be something like occupancy tax, lodging tax, VAT, or another local tax that applies in your area. Be careful here and choose the option that matches your local requirements, since tax rules can differ from one jurisdiction to another. After that, enter the required tax details. Airbnb may ask for a percentage-based tax rate, a fixed amount, or other information related to how the tax should be charged. Take your time entering these details so everything is accurate. Before saving anything, review your tax settings carefully. Double check the rate, the tax type, and any other details Airbnb asks for. This step helps make sure your listing is compliant with local regulations and that guests see the correct charges. Once everything looks right, save your changes to apply the tax settings to the listing. Finally, preview your listing or check the pricing details to confirm the taxes are being applied correctly. This last check is a good way to catch any mistakes before future guests book. And that's how to add taxes to an Airbnb listing.